AkitaPluto is an ever-expanding protocol on BSC which rewards its holders with guaranteed allocation and airdrop for new fair launch tokens under Akita family, pre-specified milestones, and activities which determines the launch of Akita family members tokens ensure that holding AKTP is fun-filled and rewarding. So I think that's good to hear that the project is full of fun and rewarding, which is like the most important, rewarding. And here we got two buttons which we can click on. So the first one is Akita family, where you can read more about the Akita family, and the next one is Akita-san, where you can also visit and read more about the project. A mechanism being an extremely rewarding protocol, AKTP, comes with stakeless farming along with various unparalleled holder benefits. And here we got 3% redistribution, 2% burn, 3% LP pool, and for the last one we have a 4% marketing pool. And next we have upcoming family token for launch allocation, guaranteed proportional airdrop. So I think that's pretty clear that we have all the information about the project on the beginning. So we can go on and see what's next. I also want to mention that we got some cool graphics on the page which are also interactive, as you can see. And here we got tokenomics, total supply 1 quadrillion, ownership renounced, team token burn, LP locked, 70%, soft cap 50 BNB, hard cap 350 BNB. So I think that's pretty clear. All about the economics are here, so all the values, all the information, you can check that out. Next we have self-expanding protocol, family tokens, regular fair launch, family token airdrop to holders, AkitaPluto inter and intra swap, community-backed NFTs. So that's good that we have all the information, all the features of the project right here. So all of this are done, as you can see. Done. And next we have all the plans of the project which are on the roadmap. So first quarter is pre-sale of AKTP, 1 million trade volume, 5,000 Telegram members, per launch of AkitaPluto, 1,000 AKTP holders. Next we have the second one, fair launch of family members token, 10 million trade volume, over 10,000 Telegram members, marketing and partnerships. Third, expansion of Akita family, AkitaPluto family swap, introduction and launch. Over 25,000 Telegram members, which is pretty ambitious. 50 million trade volume, sorry. For the last one we have the fourth one, and which is NFT marketplace, CEX listing and partnerships, 100 million trade volume, further roadmap and marketing. So I think that development of the project will be good, as you can see. Moving ahead from same boring meme tokens, AkitaPluto is a community-backed, highly immersive, rewarding and exciting protocol which guarantees innovative rewards and activities for its holders. Join the movement. So I think that's pretty good to a slogan of the project. So let's go on, and here we got pre-sale on Uniscript. And here we are on Uniscript, and here we got all the information and details about the project which are actual. And as you can see, we have 184 participants for now, lock 11 months, 70%, connect your wallet button. All the information are here, as I told you. So I think that you should definitely check that out if you're interested in the project. Let's be back, and here we got PooCoin chart, which is the chart of the project. As you can see, it seems to be pretty promising for now as it starts. So here we got all the information. So let's be back, and also we can purchase the token on PancakeSwap, as you can see. So I think that's pretty easy. So we have the value in BNBs and we can exchange it to AKTP. So that's it. I can also recommend you to join all the social medias of the project. You can ask them on email anything you want. You can also check Twitter, where you will be updated with any information about the project, and you can also be informed about anything about the project on Telegram, which I also recommend you to join. So I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!